£1 million over the next 5 years. Stuart Ratcliffe reports.
Is this the future of healthcare? A medical one-stop shop? Not only does this centre claim to be the largest practice of GPs in the country, it also offers X-rays, ultrasound and pathology, relieving pressure on A&E and, crucially, saving the NHS money.
Patients in Corby get £500 less spent on them than patients in Chelsea. So it's £137 on average less than the national average. So what we're doing here is not only offering better access, a community-based service, but because we are using taxpayer money more wisely, because we're able to expand our services, people in Corby, who generally have had a pretty raw deal in terms of central funding allocations, are going to get a much better service.
And it's this type of centre which could be the model used elsewhere. A complete overhaul of both health and social care services is now being considered as part of the Healthier Northamptonshire review, as many believe the current structure is not sustainable.
No change is not an option. I mean, just take social care. Last year I had a 23% increase in number of people being referred into social care. I think people to hear about the sort of, when you get blockages in hospitals. And that's why it's really important for both social care, for primary care, GPs, for hospitals, to work together to look about how we can get better solutions moving forward.
So, to discuss the options, the county's health watchdog has organised tonight's public meeting.
The programme has been looking in detail about how people are supported to receive care closer to their home, in their own home, to look at how services can be provided in community settings. And also there have been conversations between the two hospitals about how they can work together to provide services that are more effective, more efficient.
The question being asked tonight is, can savings of £279 million really be made by simply becoming more efficient, or will proposed changes mean the end of some services? Stuart Ratcliffe, BBC Look East.
An extra 77,000 seats will be available on EasyJet flights between Stansted and Scotland this summer. The budget airline says its routes to Edinburgh and Glasgow have always been key for the company and will help business